cute is this? I feel like now I have to get a nightstand or something to put this on here because I don't want these cords showing, but like, hello, so cute. Feels like it has been so long since I've talked to you guys, like since I just had a vlog, just a regular vlog. I have been so busy with life and work and work and work. Girl, I've been working. And I just have not picked up my camera to vlog in such a long time. I feel like I've been doing more like content-y type videos and not vlogging, but I feel like we're getting back on track. I cannot neglect you guys, or myself really. Neglecting my channel is neglecting myself. I just picked up my camera and said, hey, we are vlogging tonight. It is Tuesday, March 4th, whatever. And I'm getting ready currently to go for a run. I'm deep in the half marathon training, so deep in it actually. Wait, hold on, rewind. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all the new people that are here. That's crazy. My name is Miltania. Thank you for being here. I hope y'all are doing wonderful. This half marathon training has been taking up so much of my time, so much of my time. I'm not running another half marathon or anything like that for a minute after this because it's taking up so much time. I'm also wearing this gym wrap. I just got this, so we'll see how good it does at sweat wicking tonight on this run. This is my first time wearing it. The intention was to go outside and run tonight, but it got really dark really fast, but it's fine because I am counting the days, baby. I'm counting the days. We got about 5-6 more days until the sun is setting at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. and I can do whatever I want. I can live the free life that I'm supposed to be living. So we're gonna go run on the treadmill inside tonight, which is honestly the bane of my existence, but it needs to be done. And then I will come back. I have some groceries here that we can unpack together because it's been a while since I've done a good old grocery haul, and then we'll take it from there. First things are some sweet potatoes. This is good. I feel like I've been eating so many sweet potatoes. Lettuce, baby Yukon potatoes, some broccoli, some more mushrooms. I had some mushrooms last week. I ordered some this week. I'm not gonna lie, the reason I do like Farm to People a lot is because they have forced me to like get creative when it comes to eating my vegetables. I've been working on that for a really long time now, and I've been consistently getting my vegetables, and because I don't want to waste them, I find something to do with my vegetables almost every single week, and I think it's really good. I got some eggs, but I think one of them cracked. I hope it's just one, baby. In this economy, they have a really good selection of pre-made food, so I got this little ragu. I might have it for dinner tonight, honestly, because I'm tired. Bag of carrots, Macintosh apples, some drumsticks, a pound of chuck. I think this week I'm gonna make a little bit of pot roast, whole turmeric root. I got some bagels. I'm trying these ones out because they have 12 grams of protein per bagel. Not bad. I was gonna say how do I look, but probably insane. So I just got back in from my run. My body was just like, no, we're not doing this today. And I know the reason why. I have obviously been training for this half marathon for a little bit now. I feel like it's all I talk about. But today's run was like a shorter run. First of all, let me take this vest off. Side note, I hate running in vests, but I'm trying to run in them a little bit more because there's a possibility that I'll be wearing one when I do actually run the half. It's either I'm gonna pack everything into like my pockets of whatever I wear, or I'm gonna be wearing a vest and putting things into that. Sometimes I just don't like the feeling of the vest. I'm really iffy about them. But today's run was just a no-go for me, and the reason is because yesterday, which I didn't record yesterday's run, I hit my first 10 miles. Like, I have consistently been capped at about 7 or 8 miles, and felt so good to actually do that because like that second maybe the last 2 miles of the run was just me talking myself to get to that point. It also made me think about something else. I feel like I don't celebrate like my milestones as much. I'm very much hit a goal, next goal, hit a goal, next goal. And that's something that I try to work on so that I'm not like constantly in this like state of needing to be productive or needing to like accomplish something. The productivity and goal hitting industrial complex, whatever. I just was like, oh, I hit 10 miles, I can hit 13. And even though I'm saying I'm excited now and I'm proud of myself, I didn't feel that initially. The first thing I felt was, okay, next goal. Maybe it's Capricorn core, I don't know. It was just something that it took me maybe an hour or two after I finished that run. Oh my God, I just accomplished this thing and I should really be proud of myself instead of immediately moving my goalposts. I'm like notoriously bad at that, but I'm trying to be better at this big age of mine to really be proud of myself. I feel like a lot of times I am my own cheerleader, and a lot of times that is really true, and so I do have to remember to shake the pom-poms every now and then. Anyway, I did go to, because girl, we getting too deep. I put salt and lemon juice in my water, and that's just my electrolyte water at this point because I don't have any powders, and I was like, well, this is close enough. But anyway, I went to Maman. Today's my little cheat snack. So if you're ever in New York City, or you are already in New York City and you haven't been to Maman, please go there. I got this, so good. I actually got two because I'm gonna freeze the other one, and they only had 2 left and I wanted 2. I said it was meant to be. It's serendipity. It was meant to be. It's kismet. Let's go. Give it to me. It's a goat cheese blueberry rosemary scone. It is so good. I'm gonna have a bite of it right now. Much better if you like warm them up in the oven. I broke it apart. It's like folded a little bit, and it has the blueberry on the inside with like the goat cheese, and it has a little bit, I think, salt or maybe sugar sprinkled on the top. Also, by the way, another update. This is the gym wrap headband. I got this. I got 2-pack. I got a dark gray and then this black one. I really like them. I feel like they do a good job to keep my hair kind of dry, which is their whole business model. I got the 3-inch one because they're good for the colder weather. It's like 40 degrees today. So far I'm liking them. I wish that I got a 2-pack of the black because I feel like I wear black more than any other color, but I would highly recommend if you are looking for a sweat wicking kind of thick headband to run or even work out in. It's very, very good. I like it. I'm officially starting my wash day routine. I have to groom my brows at some point this weekend. I've already done some of the sections of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys what I just started using, like literally just now, 2 seconds ago. So this is the pre-poo that I'm gonna use. This stuff is phenomenal. Okay, so don't look at my bald spot. So let me separate this hair. It's completely dry, by the way. It says you're supposed to apply it on dry hair. I'm gonna take like a big, like that much to start. I'm gonna start on my ends and then just work it into my hair. It takes a little bit of time, especially if because your hair is dry. I use it on those first 2 sections and I was like, is this witchcraft? I think part of the reason is because I've been taking care of my hair more, but also partially because, no, a huge part because this product is clutch. I'm like, are you serious? Look how easy this is going through my hair. Are you joking? Are you joking? And I just myself did a little bit of a trim on my hair. I definitely messed it up and should go to the salon to get that fixed, but what? And it feels just so beautiful and nourishing on your hair. I wish that some conditioners had this much slip because it's crazy. I swear that was the fastest pre-poo I have ever had in my life. I'm just getting it everywhere and like massaging it into my hair. But I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes and then get into the shower and rinse my hair and like start my whole process. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm using for today's wash day. I have my pretty consistent thing going on with the Olaplex right now, but this is T-Sal. It's a Neutrogena kind of like, I think it has, yeah, salicylic, 3% salicylic acid. 3% salicylic acid. Then I'm gonna use the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna use the Olaplex deep conditioner. Friends, it is the next day. It's like 6 something now. I just finished work and everything. I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store in a second to get some stuff I'm finally gonna make my pot roast today. Anyway, but I wanted to show you guys the hair. So this is it. I got this, like, they're called like mini Senegalese twists, mini spring twist. The hair she used, I will link it down below on the screen. I don't know, like it's very cute. Ow, 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 ow. This is what I'm talking about. It's very cute. Like, I can see myself enjoying this, but at this present moment, I don't love it. I generally don't think I like my hair the first couple of days that I get it. It's like an adjustment period, but it is super light. Actually, it's super dense and super light, which is the perfect combination. I did not get home last night. I was gonna show you guys yesterday, but I did not get home yesterday until 1 a.m. Why did I think, oh, it's like, oh my God, this is gonna be perfect. Like, it'll save me so much time, which it did, because I didn't have to physically do anything. I just sat in a chair for a while. It only took about, it took about 6 hours to do, but when I got there, their chairs were filled already. And so that's low-key my fault though. And so I had to wait for a couple of people to get their hair done. And then by the time I sat down, it was already in the afternoon, and I was like, oh, we're gonna be here for a while, but I did not expect it to take this long. And I think it's because they have to twist it longer than like it actually shrinks up to. And it's also like a small style, like jumbo styles take less time, but they're pretty small. So I think that's why it took so long, but I don't know. I feel like I'm still adjusting to it. It's literally been less than 24 hours, but I like it, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna give myself a couple of days and maybe I'll get over myself. Also, another update. I was gonna run today because I'm technically supposed to run, but my knee, my right knee specifically, has been bumming out since like Saturday, since I did my last run, basically, my long run. Whenever something starts to feel weird, I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to be injured. I don't want anything to like get in my way. When I was commuting to go and like get my hair done, like I could feel that my knee was like uncomfortable and just not feeling like my left knee does. It wasn't feeling as strong as it was before, which is just like, maybe I need some extra rest, whatever, and I'm trying to listen to my body. So we're not gonna run today, but we are gonna try to run and get back on track tomorrow. I just wanna see how I'm feeling before I go and like put stress on my knee again. So we'll see about that. I did get a little bit emotional about it because I was like, oh my God, I don't want to not be able to run. In better news, you guys see how there's like a beautiful sunset coming through my house right now? That is because we finally made it. We have finally made it. Yesterday, Sunday, was the first day of spring forward. If you don't deal or have that where you live, it's basically when we lose an hour of sleep, but we get a later hour of sunset, sun, daylight. This is my Christmas, my New Year, my birthday. Like, this is to me when the year really starts, when we start getting the later sunset. So as bummed out as I am about my knee, I'm very, 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 very happy about that. From October or November, whenever we move back in time, I wait for this day every single day. So it's still a beautiful day and we have longer days ahead. So I'm in okay spirits. guys saw on dinner cam. We're doing our first bite together as usual. I put a scoop of Greek yogurt on this. I don't know if that's blasphemous or not, but to me, stews are in the same family as chili, and I mean, ideally I would have put a big scoop of sour cream on this, but I'm a Greek yogurt girl, so I put some plain Greek yogurt on it. Don't knock it until you try it. It's like a cool balance for like the warmth of the stew. Actually, the mushrooms and the sweet potato were like a little bit of a nice addition to this. I'm trying to get a bite of everything. I never really put either of them in my stews or anything like that, but I think it was a good call. I'm literally salivating. It's good. Usually I dry cook sweet potatoes, aka like roasting, really just roasting them, because whenever I boil them or put them in water, they get too like watery and mushy, but they feel tender. So I'm a fan. Actually, I think I would put it in there in my stews a lot more. Anyway, y'all know what time it is. I'm clean, I'm cozy, and I'm hungry. We're gonna eat. But I'm gonna close this video off and say thank you guys so much for watching and for being here with me. I feel like this video was a little bit all over the place, so the vlog is a little bit reflective of my life right now. And if you made it this far, I would also suggest that you subscribe. I'm just saying, I'm not pointing any fingers, I'm not calling any names, I'm just saying. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Good night. I love you. Bye.